Video marketing is amazing, and that is why many people use it for affiliate marketing to promote their affiliate products, because conversion rate is really good. And I know what you are thinking right now, well, I'm not good at making videos. I don't know how to edit videos. I don't know how to write scripts. I don't feel comfortable in front of camera. English is not my native language, or some other reason. Well, luckily for you, we live in AI age. So today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT and another free AI to automatically create videos. Literally, only thing you need to do, you just need to say what kind of video you wish, and that software will automatically create that video for you, so you can use it to promote your affiliate product. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to come on a website called visla.us. And this is actually a video making software, AI software. And when you click here on pricing, you will see that they actually have two plans, one free plan and one paid plan. Now here you can see what free plan will give you and what paid plan will give you. Now for the beginning, free plan is quite fine. Here you can see they actually have a lots of options on a free plan. So you need to register for a free account. After that, you need to log into your account. And here you can see how this actually looks. Now here you can see you actually have 4 options: create video, upload to edit video, screen recording, or video recording. So what you need to do you actually need to create videos automatically. Here you can see some examples. Now you can use that as a reference. But what we need to do, we need to create a video. So what you need to do, you need to click here on the left side on projects. And then you need to click here on new project. And here you can see you actually have 5 options. You can create a video from idea. You can create video from text. You just need to add your script and they will create a video. Also, another option, good option, is actually if you have your own blog, you can use article from that blog and just add the link to that article and they will automatically create a video from that blog article. But I repeat, it must be article from your own blog. You cannot use other people's blogs, okay? Also here, you can also use audio as an idea for the video. You can use audio to create videos. And here you can see video with voice. You can create videos with your own voice. You just say what you want and they will create a video. But for the purpose of this video, we are actually going back and we will use an idea video. So what I need to do, I just need to say what kind of video I wish. Here you can see you have 2000 characters on your disposal to describe what kind of video you wish. The more precise description is, the better video they will make. So what you can do is you can simply come here on ChatGPT and here you can say, for example, something like this. Let's just say that I'm in keto niche. You can say, give me a video idea for keto diet, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give you an idea for video about keto diet. Here you can see they are giving me exactly that. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this part here, okay? Title and also description. Here you can see this is a description. And I need to simply go back here on Visla and I can paste that here and I'm going to delete this quote. And all I have to do now is just click here on generate video and give it a few minutes to create a video. Here you can see we are creating your video. Visla AI is pairing the perfect footage and voiceover to your story. Like I said, they will automatically create this video. They will add videos and photos. They will add even voiceover to your video. Customize your video. You can edit your video any way you want. Export and share your video. You can later download that video. Now, depending on how big this video is, processing may take from just few seconds all the way to a few minutes, sometimes even up to 30 minutes to process this video. So I will pause this video until Visla finish processing my video. Okay, Visla finished processing my video and here you can see how this video looks. So I will click on play so you can see and hear how this actually looks.
In this meal prep guide, we'll provide practical tips to help you stay on track.
So let me just pause this. As you can see, this is actually a good video. It's not even a bad voiceover. So this is a good video. But if we actually wish to change something, we don't quite like this video. So what you can do is you can simply click here on edit. And now you can edit this video. Here you can edit this text. Here you can see they add automatically subtitles, and personally I like that. But you can remove it if you want. And you can change the text, you can add some words, you can delete some words, you can add some sentences, you can delete some sentences. Also, when you go here on media, you can use their own media, their own videos and photos. That is exactly what I would recommend, because these are royalty-free photos and videos. You need to use royalty-free photos and videos. You can use their library, or you can simply upload your own photos and videos. Also, when you go here on audio, you can generate voiceover. When you click here on generate voiceover, here you can choose different voice artists to generate voiceover. So let me just close this. I am satisfied with this voiceover. You can even remove voiceover and add some music, or add your own voiceover. Here you can see there are some songs that you can add. Also, when you click here on style, you can choose a style. Now, here you can see landscape, square, or vertical, depending. Do you wish this video for YouTube? Do you wish this video for Facebook? Or do you maybe wish this video for TikTok? Here you can see different styles. Now, I will use this for YouTube, so I will leave it as a landscape. Also, here you can choose a text style. You can increase the font here for the subtitles. You can change the letter style. You can change the letter colors and many stuff. And here you can actually choose, do you wish to change that on every slide, or you actually wish to change this only on this slide. You can change this text on just on this slide here, or you can maybe change this, or maybe you wish to change this on all of the slides, on entire video. You can choose and edit all of those. Now, after you finish editing your video, after you are satisfied with everything, and all you have to do after that is just click here on preview, and you can preview your video. And if you are satisfied with this video, what you can do is you can simply click here on export, and you can export this video to your desktop. And if you are actually using free plan, here you can see you have two options. If you're using free plan, you need to click here, generate with the free stock. Okay, and it will generate this video with the free stock images, free stock videos, and you can download this video totally free to your desktop. So what you need to do next, you simply need to go here on your YouTube channel, and you need to click here and then click here on upload video, and you need to upload this video to your YouTube channel, and you simply need to add a link, or you simply need to add your affiliate link in the description of this video. But if you wish to rank high on YouTube to increase your chances of getting lots of views, what you need to do a keyword research. So you can simply go on vidIQ and register for a free account. And then here you can simply search keto diet in this case, and then press enter to find keywords that has a good search volume but also low competition. Here you can see search volume 310,000 people is searching this keyword every month on YouTube, but competition is 65. It is high, so we need something else. We need another keyword. So here we can see, for example, keto diet for beginners. Here we can see 44,000 people is searching this every month, but competition is 69. So you need to go through this process. It is boring, it does take time, but you will find good keywords that will help you to rank high on Google, on YouTube, and to get more views. So what you need to do, you simply need to use Visla to create 2 or 3 videos every week, and also you need to use vidIQ to find good keywords that has lots of searches but also low competition, so you can get as much views as you can on your videos. And trust me guys, in 2 or 3 months your videos will start getting thousands and thousands of views, and you will start making sales, you will start making money with affiliate marketing. As you see, it is really simple, it is really easy. It will only take you 5 minutes to make these videos, because we are going to use chatgpt to give us ideas for our videos, and we are going to use Visla to create those videos for us. And all we have to do is just upload those videos on YouTube, and that's it. You will make money with affiliate marketing. Like I said, you just need to upload 2 or 3 videos every week in next 2 or 3 months. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.